into another one, which is the video 10 of it. So we combine the two of them together. Okay, so we have the monitoring and tracking system. Now, what are the reasons for monitoring and tracking system? What are the reasons? One, for surveillance. Okay, we want to monitor, we want to track because of surveillance. And why are we surveilling? Potential criminals, terrorism, and the likes of that, right? For prisoners who are out from the prison and their probations, there's a tracking system, an ankle bracket, right, that is placed, okay, and what we call an ankle monitor that gives out the person's location and other what details, right? Is a temper proof, and if it's been tampered with, the authorities are being allowed, or if you try to what, remove it. Okay. Then we have monitoring customers buying pattern, what the customer is buying, and likes of that, just to ensure that when that customer is visiting that page again, there is what, a preference. Now we have key login. Okay, key logins software, which means that when you're trying to access a particular thing and you're not putting the right details, there's limits to what you can be able to impute. Over time, there's a time. Most time is time. So you may have just 30 seconds to log in, and after 30 seconds, you cannot, it locks you. You cannot be able to do that until you provide a form of authentication. Then we have core monitoring. Core monitoring is done in two ways: being monitored by the police, right, as part of surveillance operation, and two, the employers of the ISPs could actually monitor your calls to improve their customer service what experience. Okay, then we have cookies, and cookies on the other hand are used to store the browsing preference, okay, in terms of language setting, items in the shopping cart, okay, links that have been clicked on, and the likes of that. So whenever you're visiting the website next time, you can be able to have access to that. Number plate recognition there talks about how your numbers or your place on your number or your car can be tracked by cameras, okay, that are situated in specific one locations, okay, and that's to keep track of what, the whereabouts of anyone in the visual, okay. We've talked about the phone tracking. We've talked about cookies. In fact, they remember who the user is. That's another bit of cookies. So whenever you accept cookies, whenever you're going to that website, they know who you are. There's usually there could be a welcome message next time, welcome you back to that website. Your buying patterns and the likes of that. Okay. Then we have the biometrics recognition system. Very, very important. And in the biometric recognition system, we have the face recognition, iris and retina recognition, finger and thumb recognition, hand recognition, and the voice recognition. These are ways of gaining entry into what, a system. Okay, and of course, the biometric is a more modern way of what, protection. Thank you very much.